Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Octa app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on auto applicable here bonus rich. Just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, and here can you select auto applicable here bonus rate in this list here. When you don't, just click on OK, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.